Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anastasia. Today we are at Leveled Up Luxe Rental. We're going to be setting up a beautiful Christmas setup. I cannot wait for you to see the finished product. This is the prop that we are using. This is something new at the store. I have my crew here, Nicole and Victor, and also Lady. She's behind the camera over there. Lady, say hi! Hi! Here we go. Alright, I am using Kalisan balloons in deep red. That's one of their newest colors. I'm going to be using a lot of balloons, a lot of berries, and I've been obsessed with berries this season. I love when it's red and berry. It's going to be beautiful. Alright, anyways, let's go. Let's do this. It's going to be one amazing setup.
We have enough sleep just waiting for these days.
Yes. Alright you guys, this is it. This is my final setup. Again, this is Kalisan balloons. It's deep red. Absolutely love the color. Super pretty color for Christmas. It's not your red, it's not your burgundy. It's like a middle color of those two colors. So adorable. Love the nutcracker and this little Santa mailbox. So cute. I have no idea how many balloons I've used. Don't ask me. I'll just count it up and I'll insert it somewhere over here. I really love the open doors and balloons kind of like flowing through the door. I love the neutral color because it really pops pops up against the red color, or pops out. I love the berries. I've been obsessed with berries this season. Even my Christmas tree has a whole bunch of berries in it, but this is my final setup. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this quick but straight to the point video. Alrighty guys, have a good one, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.